Do you want social icons on your WordPress website like this?
Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to tell you how to install a social icon bar, especially WhatsApp contact, on your WordPress website. This is going to be a very interesting tutorial, so do not skip this video. So friends, here, as you can see, my WordPress admin panel. From this left side option bar, we have a plugin option. Click on it and it redirects you to a new page. From here, you need to click on Add a new plugin. In the search bar, write WhatsApp here. As you can see, there are lots of plugins related to this query. I recommend you install the Chatty plugin. Install it and then activate it in just simple 2 steps. Now the plugin is installed successfully. Now go to the plugin settings. Here you can see various social icons, including WhatsApp icon. Just you need to select your required icon and it is added automatically. Now you add social media profile links and let your website visitor click on your profile links from here like this. I hope this video has solved your problem. Please do like and subscribe to this channel for more updates and tutorials. Thanks.